Meaning of gap year.
Gap year.
Gap year.
Gap year.
Gap year. A gap year is a period of time, usually taken by high school graduates or college students, when they take a break from academic studies and pursue other interests or activities before continuing their education or entering the workforce. This break can last anywhere from several months to a year or more. The goal of a gap year is to provide individuals with an opportunity to gain new experiences, skills, and perspectives that will enhance their personal growth and help them make informed decisions about their future academic and career paths.